Hey, welcome to the Violin Lessons channel again. This is Strictly Strings, page 34, learning the G string notes and whole rest. So the vocabulary is crescendo. It's the lines that go this way. They expand as you go left to right and gradually get louder. FF is fortissimo, very loud. PP is pianissimo, very soft. The whole rest sits under the line and it gets 4 beats of silence. Decrescendo, the line's going this way, closing as you go right, gradually gets softer. So this is number 1, the 4 beats of rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, 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 rest. Rest, 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 and let it go. Now we're going to do number 2. So you're going to do E, F sharp, then G natural, and A. This is an exercise in low 2s on the E string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift. And go on. Now, we're going to do the G major scale, number 3, and you're going to start 3rd finger on the D string and play up to the 2nd finger on the E string, a low 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it. Now we're going to play number 4, and it's hooked bows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest, and let it go. Now this is a theme from Capriccio Italian by Tchaikovsky. 1, 2. Low 2. Get louder. Get softer. Quiet. Pianissimo. Get louder. low 2, 2, 3. Fortissimo. Risorgendo. Next, we got the double string blues. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Repeat. So that was page 34, Strictly Strings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment.